Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter I. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर I का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter I. लेटर I पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo, shabash. The sound of letter I is A. 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 Letter I की आवाज है A. 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 Trace letter I with pencil. अब आप I पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter I. अब हम letter I से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. A. Iguana. A. Insect. A. Ink pot. A. Igloo. A. Iguana. A. Insect. A. Ink pot. A. Igloo. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. I letter eat ice cream.
I letter eat ice cream.
I letter it's my dream.
I letter it's my dream.
Now circle the letter I in the given letters. इन letters में letter I के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. बहुत खूब. Connect iron to the shirts with the help of lines. Connect igloo with the girl with the help of lines. Connect ink pot to the pen with the help of lines. बहुत खूब. Dear teachers, ask children to name I words. Introduce letter I with phonic song. Help children make a story with the given words and pictures. Help children draw a picture of ice cream and let them color it. Teacher will read aloud and display vocabulary words in the classroom with pictures. Repeat the words igloo, ink pot, insect, iguana, ice cream and iceberg. I spy with my little eye. What other things start with letter I?